Well, day 2 of testimony in the trial against the Oxford High School shooter's father will resume in just a few hours.
Now, during day 1, both the prosecution and the defense made their opening statements before the first witnesses took the stand. We heard from a former teacher from Oxford High School who was a victim in the shooting and a computer crimes expert who worked for the Oakland County Sheriff's Office.
Well, James Crumbley is charged with 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter in the shooting deaths of 4 students carried out by his son.
Ahead of today's testimony, we are learning that telephone access behind bars is being restricted for James Crumbley.
Well, 7 Action News reporter Peter Maxwell is live in front of the courthouse in Pontiac this morning. And Peter, break down for us what we know about why Crumbley's phone access is being restricted.
Well, the Oakland County Sheriff's Department tells 7 Action News that James Crumbley's phone access and electronic communications access has been restricted because he was caught on a recorded line making threats. On Thursday morning, jurors reviewed the first pieces of evidence in the trial against James Crumbley, the father of the Oxford High School shooter.
What happened inside that school was truly a nightmare come to life. But it didn't have to. That nightmare was preventable. There are 3 people in this world who are criminally responsible for the deaths of Hannah, Madison, Tate, and Justin.
Prosecutors arguing James Crumbley had several opportunities to stop the shooting, even just hours before the shooting took place.
James Crumbley did not know what his son was going to do. He did not know that his son could potentially harm other people. He did not know what his son was planning. He did not purchase that gun with the knowledge that his son may use it against other people.
After opening statements were made by the defense and prosecutors, the court heard from the first 20 witnesses, including Molly Darnell, who worked at Oxford High School at the time. She was shot in the arm during the shooting.
So I lock eyes with this person and I see some movement coming from the side of him, and I realize that he's raising a gun to me.
The prosecutors also called a now former Oakland County Sheriff's Department detective who was working at the time with the computer crimes unit in November of 2021. The former detective took jurors through texts between James and Jennifer Crumbley in the days leading up to the shooting, including cell phone videos and Instagram posts, and the shooter discussing his mental health with a friend. Jurors also saw a video of the Crumbleys arriving to the high school after learning their son made a disturbing drawing on a math assignment. The jurors also heard audio of a 911 call made by James Crumbley after the alert of an active shooter went out.
Someone told me that there was an active shooter, and then I raced home just to go find out. And I think my son took the gun. I don't know. It's him. I don't know what's going on.
And it wasn't until jurors were dismissed that prosecutors approached the judge to discuss this misconduct by James Crumbley during that March 2nd phone call. All of his electronic communications has now been restricted to just his attorney. Reporting in Pontiac, Peter Maxwell, 7 Action News.